basically these are the bits that should get the camper to the MOT station, not necessarily the bits that will pass it. Yeah, corn hose. More corn hose. I think one's the feed from front to back, one's the return line. Weighty. So we've got the new radiator. Oh, she is going to fly. Is that level? Massive thank you to Andy and the guys at Heritage Parts. So that's the thermostat there. It will never get hot and open, it's just constantly open. If you're ever having cooling issues, it's like an easy fix rather than spending loads of money and sorting out. So basically what happens is once this gets hot, I believe that goes up like that. So I've tried pulling the roof dent out with a sliding hammer. But basically, the weight of the hammer and just the general force, like that, you know, isn't quite enough. So what I have done is I'm going to weld this bit of plate onto parts of the dent, and then I will then pull the dent out with the forklift attached to the chain. Everyone knows by turning your head, you're not going to get archive. It's like,
all right.
No fact.
Yeah.